In previous lesson, we've put our connection string in environment variable so we can put it in a safe place. But we get still here a problem. What's this problem? You will push your code using the Git system to your repository. For example, using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. And when you push this file.m file, anyone can open it and see your secrets inside it. So now, how to make this file is private and not pushed to GitHub with your repository? In this case, we're gonna use our gitignore file technique. What's gitignore? Gitignore is a file with a simple text. We put it in Git project that tells Git which files or folders it should ignore and not track. So we can prevent unnecessary files like this node modules here and protect sensitive data like .env here and keep repository clean and lightweight. So here we're gonna create our .gitignore file, and inside it we're gonna add our .env file like this to ask Git system not to track this file, and also we're gonna add node modules and save this file. Now when we push our code to GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket, .env file and node modules are not gonna pushed with the code.